Diversity 2. Trying to find a way to record yourself with your Canon or whatever type of video camera you have that does not have a flip out screen so you can see yourself. My solution to that problem is, because for a long time I just did not purchase these cameras because there was no flip out screen. I mean, if you do a lot of recording, you have to be able to center yourself, and especially if you not using anyone to support you and all you have is your tripod. You got to be able to center yourself. So I went to the Dollar Tree store or Family Dollar. They may have the same products. A simple dollar mirror. And this little simple cord, you probably get this from Home Depot. It just wraps around everything and stays in place. So all I did was take it and wrap it around my mirror. I mean, it's 1, 2, 3. Just so it would be still. Just like that. And the other end, wrap it around the bottom of your tripod. And you have an instant view window for your camera or when you're recording. And it's very easy to maneuver wherever you want to put it. The idea is to be able to see your screen and to center yourself, or to make sure that you're within frame. $1, and this is probably a couple of bucks at Home Depot. And if you don't have that or can't find that, electrical wire will work just fine. It's just as stiff, and it stays wherever you put it. Just cut a piece off, and you're good to go. And this stuff you can find at construction sites all over the place. You really don't have to buy this unless you just want to, but to buy a whole roll is expensive, but you can find wire. This is the common house wire, 120 volt wire. It works just as fine. Diversity 2, trying to find or how to record yourself when you don't have a flip screen camera. This is what I do. This is my hack. This simple mirror, find one similar, something lightweight, small, you can pack away. This one folds. When you're done, put it in your camera case, and this just rolls up. You can just stick it all in your camera bag, and you're good to go. Diversity 2. How to record yourself when you do not have a flip screen on your camera, or your screen does not even flip forward. It's just stationary in the back. You can't see anything unless you have someone recording for you, but this is the answer. We had a problem, we have a solution. Diversity 2, keep rolling. Keep filming, keep recording. This is your answer.